Hi, Matt Byer of Matt Byer Organizing with how to lighten the paper load fast and safe. Are you moving soon and you need to declutter? Movers charge by weight, and one heavy thing you don't want to pay for is dead files. Each banker box of paper weighs about 50 pounds, so 20 boxes would be half a ton. Obviously, you need to purge what you can, fast. So you may dive into your paper purge project, but suddenly find yourself with more questions than momentum. So here's 7 great tips for an effective speed sort. 1. Consider digital trust. Before you even begin, ask yourself this: do I trust that I can access all this information digitally within seconds? If you're comfortable with that, there's no reason to keep the paper files. Just get rid of them. You're all set. But if you're not entirely comfortable with the digital solution just yet, move on to tip 2. 2. Paper last. In my stress-free downsizing in 10 steps video, I recommend purging paper at the end. Why wait? 2 good reasons: maximum space to process and maximum focus. You'll need the room to spread out, and you'll need to have everything else sorted so you can give full focus to the paper problem. 3. Strategic shredding. Folks love to show me their shredders, but that's the last thing you should be thinking about because shredding can be delegated. Shredding does not require your unique knowledge. Sorting does. Shredding will slow you down. Just box the shredding and let someone else do it so you can bring your full attention to sorting. Also, in this information age, I'm sorry to say your address is easily available online, so I'm not sure if it's helping to shred every document with your address on it. If you limit your shredding to just documents with your social security number and active account numbers, you will save a lot of time and money. 4. Stages, not categories. This is the most important tip because the more categories you look for, the slower the sort will go. So forget about categories and, like any decluttering challenge, simply get clear on why you are keeping. There are essentially only 4 reasons to keep a file represented by 4 stages: running, sitting, sleeping, and dead. These are summarized in this video. You will probably see none of the running files if you are decluttering a basement, and sitting files are probably all in your home office. For sleeping files older than 7 years, it's time to purge, which brings us to dead files. The 4th reason you're keeping a file is that you're now ready not to keep them. Files that you were keeping just in case have now graduated to dead files. You can let go of these and celebrate your savings of moving truck weight. 5. Tools for speed. These do not include a shredder, box of hanging files, and a labeler. They do include banker boxes for sorting, latex gloves for quick handling and safety, gallon Ziploc bags for sub-sorting, retractable Sharpies and super sticky Post-it notes for sorting labels. 6. Speed setup. To move fast, limit your movement. Here's how. As mentioned before, give yourself a generous surface area. Keep Post-it notes on the same level by year. Maybe include running, sitting, keepsakes, and owner's manuals. Shred and recycle too. For big collections, tip box so vertical files don't slide. 7. Stay on track. Remember that speed is the point. Set a timer as a reminder and track your accumulation for discard. You are not creating the ultimate filing system. That can wait until you've moved, and this editing will have made it a lot easier. But this speed sort is keeping the dead weight off the moving truck. With these 7 speed sort tips, you will purge your old files quickly and safely, and save on moving costs. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.